Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and inside of this course, we're going to be going over retargeting. Retargeting is, simply put, the ability to follow a website visitor once they have visited your website. You're going to place a cookie or a tracker, and all of this does is allows you to follow them around the internet. So no matter what pages they visit, no matter where they go, you can actually show your ads on those same websites. So while it is sometimes annoying to individuals, overall, it is one of the best things that you can do to market yourself online. It's going to get you a big curve ahead of your competition, because when most people visit a website, 90% leave without doing any actions. So that's literally 90% of the traffic that you've paid and worked so hard to get is just leaving and gone. There's nothing that you can do about it. But with retargeting, you will now be able to actively follow those people around for months and up to basically a year, trying to get them to either opt in, that's the number one thing we want, so we can get their email address and remarket to them, or to push them to buy that product that they've been looking at. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you who to choose for retargeting, how to get started, when to use it, when not to use it, what to use it for, and a whole bunch of other great things. So if that sounds like something that is interesting to you and you want to get a curve ahead of your competition, then this is the course for you.